This is one of our newest pieces of equipment. It's a Davi roll. It's an 8-foot roll, and it will do up to 5/8 inch thick mild steel. Well, prior to having the Davi roller, we did have some roll forming capability, but it was for smaller size parts, thinner gauge materials. And now by having the large roll, the 8-foot roll that can do larger, thicker parts, we can actually roll those large radius bends for our customers. The Davi roll is a great example of GSM's willingness to invest in new technologies and new capabilities to serve our customer needs better. So I guess bigger is better when it serves your customer needs better.